how you can buy ton on Tonkeeper. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's begin. So Tonkeeper is, an app that makes it easier to manage your crypto. And to buy ton on Tonkeeper, first you'll need to open it up. And after you open it up, you will see a buy and sell option right here. After you tap on it, you will see two options on the top, buy and sell. Go to buy and just go to buy ton option. Make sure that you expand it using show all, and here you'll get a lot of options. Now let's say you choose transact. After you tap on it, it will take some time to load, but after it loads, you will see that your rate for ton. Now you can see you can just change the values. Let's say you need 2500, and after you do that, you will see the estimate ton amount right there. And after you've just selected the correct amount, tap on buy now, and you will need to enter your email and go through the transaction process, and you will be able to buy ton on your Tonkeeper. So it's that simple, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.